Hello and welcome to our special show Cinema and the Swadeshi Spirit's second episode. I am Jyotika and with me is my colleague Rukma.
Hello Jyotika, and a warm welcome to all our viewers as well once again to this second episode. As we were telling you in the first, Indian cinema has secured a place in a worthy list of patriotic movies which are not only blockbusters but also evergreen, igniting the spirit of patriotism in people even today. Lately, Bollywood fans across the country have been treated with movies that awaken the spirit of national pride and help our love for our country to grow even deeper.
Well, in next half an hour, we bring you such tales of patriotism from the world of cinema. From movies on India's struggle for independence to films that remember the brave soldiers protecting our country's borders to dilemmas of individuals who struggle with questions of identity, patriotism has got varied hues in Bollywood. While films on major events like Bhag Milkha Bhag and Chak De India have been a huge hit, no films echo the word Swadeshi like those on specific figures from history.
आज आप लोगों को देखने को मिलेगा कि कैसे हिंदुस्तानी क्रांतिकारी अपने आदर्शों के लिए हंसते हुए मौत को गले लगाते हैं। बहुत खुशनसीब हैं आप।
लकी,
वेरी लकी।
The legend of Bhagat Singh, the Ajay Devgan starrer, revolved around young revolutionary Bhagat Singh's contribution to the freedom struggle and grabbed plenty of attention due to its intense narrative.
ना तो मुझे मौत का खौफ है और ना ही रब का यकीन।
Rang De Basanti, a fancier version of telling the story of Bhagat Singh, the film's narrative is rooted in current-day Delhi University and explored parallels between how things would change if today's youth were as driven as those in pre-independent India.
it's time.
क्या करें? हाथ पर हाथ धरे बैठे रहें?
ये क्या हो रहा है?
Mangal Pandey, The Rising. The first war of independence on film started after a dissenting Amir Khan with long hair refused to continue serving under the British Army and then broke into patriotic songs. Chittagong, based on the Chittagong Mutiny, where a young teacher, Surya Sen, inspired a bunch of his young pupils to fight for the country's freedom. This film, by Beda Brother Payne, tried to tell the story of one of the bravest freedom fighters.
आप उन गोरों को निकाल देना चाहते हो ना? इतना काफी है मेरे लिए।
पूरे चिटागोंग को कब्जे में करना, वो भी अकेले, सोचना भी पागलपन है।
जो आज तक हुआ नहीं, वो अभी क्यों नहीं हो सकता?
Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, The Forgotten Hero. One of Shyam Benegal's most ambitious films in terms of scale, the film starring Sachin Khedekar tried to retell the story of one of the most enigmatic freedom fighters, determined to drive the British out of the country. Films today also present various achievements that have brought us on par with the most advanced nations in the world, as viewers take pride in being Indian.
Parmanu, showing what life was like during the nuclear testing at Pokhran in 1998. You feel proud by visually watching the achievements of Indian scientists in the Indian Army. The message of the film is that nothing is impossible to achieve when we are united.
हमने जो सोचा वो देश के लिए था, हमने जो किया वो देश के लिए है, और हमने जो पाया वो देश का होगा।
Mission Mangal, portraying India's first interplanetary mission, the Mangalyaan launch of 2013. The launch was a triumph and made us the fourth space agency in the world to reach Mars. One of the glorious chapters in ISRO's success story and 2014 Mars orbiter mission, more popularly called as Mangalyaan mission, was achieved against all odds. India became the first country in the world to break many space and earth barriers and reach the distant planet in its first attempt. Mission Mangal is a film that dramatizes and recreates this glorious chapter in Indian history. This deeply patriotic film takes a few cinematic liberties along the way. While doing that, it delves into the lives of the scientists who made this almost impossible dream come true. The facts are stupendous, and director Jagan Shakti decides to go fast and fictional, creating an underdog story that plays out like a fable, is often likable.
D-Day, Baby and Phantom are some films that have brought alive stories of counter-terrorism operations, mostly inspired by real life, and these have found a resonance with the audience. As the treatment and subjects around patriotic films evolved throughout the turn of the century from around 2010 onwards, there is a greater influx of stories themed on combating terrorism, celebrating the country's glorious achievements and talking about social issues.
20 साल से इंडिया's most wanted terrorist कराची को अपना ससुराल बना के बार-बार हम पे वार किए जा रहा था। बस अब और नहीं, वक्त आ गया था उस मिशन का जिसके लिए वली खान ने कराची में 9 साल गुजार दिए थे।
मेरा यकीन कीजिए सर, टारगेट को बिल्कुल शक नहीं है।
D-Day, a film on cross-border terrorism in which a bunch of raw agents is assigned to bring a terrorist back to India from Pakistan. A film about 4 unsung heroes who infiltrate Pakistan to bring back India's most wanted man.
झूठ बोल रहा है वाले, मार गोली इसको। वाले ऐसा मौका नहीं मिलेगा। शूट हिम, 10 साले लो, मार साले को। फायर!
Baby, an espionage thriller that follows a task force that is created in response to the Mumbai attacks of 2008. Its mission is to find and eliminate the terrorists who planned the attacks in India.
2 गोली भी लगी मुझे, 7 लोग मेरे हाथों मारे भी गए, लेकिन उस फैमिली को कुछ होने नहीं दिया मैंने। रिलीजन वाला कॉलम जो होता है, उसमें हम बोल्ड और कैपिटल में इंडियन लिखते हैं।
Phantom, based on the aftermath of the 26/11 terror attack, garnered high appreciation, an intense film treated to reflect the public sentiment, the outside threat uniting the nation within. Slipping into a very short break, keep watching.
Stay tuned, we'll be right back with more on cinema and Swadeshi spirit.
अरे सुना है लल्लन का बेटा आ गया शहर से, इसको आने ही क्यों दिया?
अरे ताई, जब किशन ने पहली बार अपने गांव में ये हैंडपंप लगवाया था, तब तो पूरा गांव उसको मिलने घर जाता था। अब उसे ही निकालने की बात कर रहे हो? और घबराओ मत, यहाँ आने से पहले उसकी पूरी जांच हुई है और 14 दिन वो अपने घर पूरे गांव की भलाई के लिए ही बैठा है। अपनी आंखें खोलो।
दूसरे शहरों से आने वाले हर व्यक्ति की जांच हो रही है और वो सरकार के बताए हुए निर्देशों का पालन कर रहे हैं। इनका साथ दो और हिम्मत बढ़ाओ।
One of the most unforgettable sequences in an Indian movie is the one in which the national flag is set on fire and the hero tries to douse it by rolling over it, almost setting himself ablaze in the process. An amazing scene from the amazing movie Roja. Towards the end of the 90s and the earlier part of the new century, public discourse shifted dramatically to the internal and external threats that the nation faced, and films mirrored that. The patriot was the hero who fought and protected against these. Released on August 15, 25 years ago, this Mani Ratnam classic with its scene of Arvind Swamy saving the tricolor was enough for the average moviegoer to walk out of the theatre feeling that they had done their bit for the country. The rousing music brings a lump to the throat, tears to the eyes, goosebumps to the flesh. The cryptologist will not give up on the flag even as his clothes catch fire.
जिंदगी मौत ना बन जाए संभालो यारों, जिंदगी मौत ना बन जाए संभालो यारों, खो रहा चैनो अमन, हाँ मुश्किलों में है वतन, सरफरोशी की शमा दिल में।
Sarfarosh, a film that talked about external as well as internal threats to the nation, highlighted well by the power-packed performance of Amir Khan.
तुम हो कौन? मैं वो हूं जो आज बस और ट्रेन में चढ़ने से डरता है। मैं वो हूं जो काम पर जाता है तो उसकी बीवी को लगता है जंग पे जा रहा है, पता नहीं लौटेगा या नहीं। हर 2 घंटे बाद फोन करती है कि चाय पी के नहीं, खाना खाया कि नहीं। दरअसल वो ये जानना चाहती है कि मैं जिंदा हूं या नहीं। मैं वो हूं जो कभी बरसात में फंसता है, कभी ब्लास्ट में। मैं वो हूं जो किसी के हाथ में तस्बीह देख के शक करता है, और मैं वो भी हूं जो आजकल दाढ़ी बढ़ाने और टोपी पहनने से घबराता है। बिजनेस के लिए दुकान खरीदता है तो सोचता है दुकान का नाम क्या रखूं, कहीं दंगे में मेरा नाम देख के मेरी दुकान न जला दें। झगड़ा किसी का भी हो, बेवजह मरता मैं ही हूं। भीड़ तो देखी होगी ना आपने, भीड़ में से कोई एक शक्ल चुन लीजिए, मैं वो हूं। I'm just the stupid common man.
A Wednesday, it was a thriller, but its theme was all about patriotism and protecting the country against threats that lie very much inside it as much as outside.
हर मुजरिम अपने किए हुए जुर्मों का कोई ना कोई बहाना ढूंढता है, इसकी मुझे गरज नहीं। मेरे मुताबिक तुम एक खूनी हो।
Hindustani, the Kamal Hassan starrer featured him as a patriot of the nation, reversing the clock from the corrupt India to the likes of independent India the freedom fighters had dreamed about.
4200 धर्म है इस दुनिया में, और उनकी वजह से न जाने कितने लोग हर दिन मरते हैं, मारते हैं। लेकिन तुम जैसों ने एक नए धर्म को जन्म दिया है, करप्शन।
किलर जो भी है वो कोई आम मुजरिम नहीं है, लेकिन वो अपने दिमाग में एक सिपाही है।
Satyamev Jayate, starring a new superhero who takes law in his own hands and fights crime like a boss. It's action-packed, full of adrenaline-filled movements, and never gets boring even for a second.
अब मगरमच्छ पकड़ने की बारी है। कानून को हाथ में लेने का हक सिर्फ कानून के हाथों को होता है।
You see an Indian on the prize blocks holding the flag, the anthem playing in the background, and it feels like a part of you is standing on the podium too. This is the thrill that these recent Hindi sports dramas, many of them enjoyable, evoke.
Iqbal, Chak De India, Bhag Milkha Bhag, Mary Kom, Dangal, MS Dhoni, The Untold Story, Sala Kharoos, Sultan, even the one that sparked Hindi cinema's affair with the sports drama Lagan. In Sultan, it was a love story. In Dangal, it was the relationship between a father and his daughters. In Sala Kharoos, it was about personal redemption. But the narrative of nationalism, of rising above difficulties for India is always there. In Chak De India, Shah Rukh Khan says, I can neither see the names of the states nor hear them. I can see only one name, INDIA. The story of the journey of an Indian women's hockey team to an international victory. In Mary Kom, a subtitle during Priyanka Chopra's final bout specifically requests viewers to stand up in honor of the national anthem. Lagan, Ashutosh Gowarikar's magnum opus, combined patriotism with love for the gentleman's game, set as it is in the pre-independence period.
But with its direct anti-colonial narrative, it is perhaps the most nationalistic story of all. A ragtag Desi cricket team beating a skilled British team kitted out in cricket whites.
भले कितने लंबे हो रस्ते हो थक न तेरा ये तन हो आजा रे सुन ले पुकार डगरिया रहना ये रस्ते तरसते हो तू आजा रे.
Dangal, that last bit.
बात मेरी समझ में ना आई कि गोल्ड
Being Indian and loving India. Amir Khan's carefully sculpted frown when the national anthem played after Geeta's win. A scene that filled you with pride like no other movie and overwhelmed you.
मिसालें दी जाती हैं बेटा, भूली नहीं जाती.
अरे भेड़ की हाहाकार के बदले शेर की एक दहाड़ है प्यारे.
Bhag Milkha Bhag. Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra's biopic based on one of India's most famous athletes evoked plenty of love for the nation as one man ran to put India on the world map of athletics and earned the epigram The Flying Sikh.
ये हमारा झंडा प्यास से अपने सीने में दबाए रखा जानता है क्यों? एक दिन हमारा हिंदुस्तान आजाद होएगा और फिर हम गोल्ड जीतेगा और हमारा झंडा लहराएगा.
Finally, gold featuring Akshay Kumar, showing how India won her very first Olympic medal after gaining independence.
What's interesting is that it's not only the sports film and the army film. Every genre of Hindi film today is marinated in national importance. Women-led films like Neerja, Razi and Manikarnika, the Queen of Jhansi, have held the flag of patriotism high as well in recent times.
अजीब सी घबराहट हो रही थी.
लाडो का प्लेन वो कराची गया था ना, तो वो हाईजैक हो गया.
और नीरजा?
Neerja shows a real person involved in a real-life attempted hijack, fulfilling the audience's need for characters that inspire, providing a valve to lift up their chests with some patriotic pride and give them bragging rights of being Indian and proudly promoting it. Razi. Alia Bhatt's Razi redefines the genre of patriotic films in Bollywood. Zahmat chooses not to hate and believes Watan is nothing without the people in it. Main hi to Hindustan hoon, she says. A nation, she clarifies, is not a deity distinct from its beings. It is the sum of our most cherished dreams, is the new message. In Manikarnika, although not wowing audiences, we find revealed a choice of subject that interests people in the present time. The introductory voiceover by Amitabh Bachchan comes straight to the point, celebrating the Mahan Sabhyata, Gaurav of India, telling the story of the brave Rani Lakshmi Bai.
For an actor who has claimed repeatedly that he hates being stereotyped and that tags suffocates him, Bollywood star Akshay Kumar's 30-year career can be split into three broad phases. The fit as a fiddle action hero of the 1990s, the charming, lovable and comical goof of the 2000s, and in the last 5 years, he has been the poster boy for the Indian patriotism. Akshay Kumar can be defined as Bollywood's new Bharat Kumar. He has had one release every year lately to evidence as much. Holiday, Baby and Gabbar Is Back have been the actor's shots at becoming the new age poster boy of pop patriotism. Amid his cluttered roster that normally sees 3 to 4 releases every year, these have also been Akshay's roles that stand out in the past couple of years or so. If 48 is good enough for an age for a Bollywood superstar to look for an image overhaul, Akshay is obviously trying to be the new mascot for masala nationalism. After delivering blockbuster performances for around 2 decades in action and romantic comedy movies, Akshay shifted his focus to movies of national importance. Interestingly, Akshay Kumar has of late started working in more movies which have a sense of nationalism and patriotism in them. Airlift, Baby, Holiday, Rustom, Gold and Kesari are the major examples of the movies which Akshay has done.
There's no science without experiments. एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं करेंगे तो हमें अपने आप को साइंटिस्ट कहने का कोई अधिकार नहीं। हमारी हर समस्या की मरम्मत नासा से करवाने जाएंगे तो हम सत्यानाशा हो जाएंगे। तेल जब पूरी के लिए गर्म है तो उसको और गर्म नहीं करते, ऑफ करके गैस बचा के पूरियां तलते रहते हैं। इस होम साइंस की टेक्निक से हम लोग मार्स जाना चाहते हैं।
Even among his films like Mission Mangal, Prithviraj Chauhan and Suryavanshi are movies that come under the category.
मुंबई पुलिस पासपोर्ट पे रिलीजन देखकर गोली नहीं चलाती, क्रिमिनल रिकॉर्ड देखकर ठोकती है।
Woman strong, mother strong, sister strong, then country strong.
Not just patriotism, but he has also films that focus on social causes like Padman and Toilet Ek Prem Katha, which actually spread awareness about the respective causes.
अपनी औरत का सबके सामने प्रदर्शन करना धर्म है। अब बीवी वापस आए ना आए, संडास तो लाके छोड़ूंगा इस गांव में।
In the past 5 years, 37 Bollywood films were made with patriotism and nationalism as the core theme. The idea that the nation is important plays out perfectly through films such as Uri, The Surgical Strike. Salman Khan's Bajrangi Bhaijaan in 2015 notched up 190 crore rupees. Spy thriller Naam Shabana and multilingual war film The Ghazi Attack.
The idea that the nation is important plays out perfectly through films such as Bajrangi Bhaijaan. The plot, which revolves around a golden-hearted Indian taking a mute Pakistani child home, mirrors what the government was doing. In real-life incidents such as that of Geeta, the deaf and mute Indian girl brought back to India by then External Affairs Minister. War, the action drama offering from Yash Raj Films, is already on its way to one of the highest box office figures of all time for a Hindi film. However high as the movie may be on guns, gloss and glamour, at its heart it remains a story of nationalistic pride and duty, with 2 secret agents as protagonists. Among most recent films highlighting the love for the nation is Kesari, based on the Battle of Saragarhi of 1897, in which 21 soldiers of the Sikh regiment of the British Indian Army took on thousands of Afghan tribesmen, highlighting the spectacular single-handed bravery of Havaldar Ishar Singh and young Sepoy Gurmukh Singh, dying while shouting, Bole Sonihal.
लोग वसीयत में बहुत कुछ छोड़ जाते हैं। मैं तेरे लिए कर्ज छोड़कर जा रहा हूँ, इस मिट्टी की आजादी।
Tanhaji, the unsung warrior, a period drama based on the life of Maratha warrior Tanaji Malsare, a trusted military leader of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The film throughout echoes a very strong feeling of being an Indian, of patriotism.
Now, Subedar Tanaji Malusare.
बाबा, सब कह रहे हैं कि उदयवान के पास बहुत बड़ी सेना है, कैसे हराएंगे?
अब तू ही बता, कौरव और पांडवों में जीत किसकी हुई?
Well, hope you have liked our special show. As they say, real life is a reflection of real life. Today, things have changed. Patriotism has now broadened its scope and is described as nationalism.
And this seems to be in tune with the people's state of mind. This journey will continue in the days to come, as newer sagas and shades of patriotism will continue to emerge.
That's all in this show. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Thank you.